Hi everyone, welcome to Career Launching. Today we are going to see about the latest hiring updates. Before we move into the video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. So first up we have hiring from Concentrix. You just need to fill out this form and you will get your direct test hiring link in your email. You can click start assessment now or else start assessment later. Then you need to take the direct hiring test. Okay, you just need to fill out all of the details here. This is the hiring from Concentrix. You need to provide your Aadhaar number and you need to verify it. And then your father's and present address. And you just need to fill out this form. You'll definitely get a direct test to your registered email address. And if you have an UN or EPF account number, you can provide it. Because if you have worked in previous company, you should have had the UN number. You need to provide it. If not, you can put any. Let's see. Yeah, you can put no here. Okay. And we have different categories here: technical support, voice and non-voice, or which is chat support and voice support. And we have for commercial banking. This is the direct test hiring opportunity from Concentrix. And if you are available to take the assessment now, you can click here for start assessment now, or else you can choose start assessment later. And this is the Concentrix hiring for you all. And the apply link is still active. I'll share the links in the description. Please check out. Next up, we have hiring from Accenture. The hiring link is still active. We have shared it a long back ago, and candidates are receiving the assessments actively. So this is also direct test hiring opportunity. Apply with a good ATS friendly resume. You'll definitely get the test link in your email. Okay, it is custom software engineer hiring, and you need to have required skill is Python programming. The must have skill is Python programming, and it is for freshers and experienced up to 2 years. We can see the JD here. I have shared this a long back. I'm sharing this again because the application is still active and it is not expired. I'll share the links in the description. Please check out. And we can see the JD here. It is for custom software engineer role. Must have skills are Python programming language. And good to have skills and are not applicable. And minimum 0 to 2 years of experience is required. Yes. We can see the qualifications here. There is no batch criteria also. Any batch can apply. This is the hiring from Accenture for you all. Next up, we have hiring from Goldman Sachs. Yeah, just in case you are unable to apply from the website, I'm showing this to you. You can click apply now here. Yes. This is hiring from Goldman Sachs, and they are hiring for Bangalore, Hyderabad locations for the trainee role. I'll share the links in the description. Please check out. If it matches your resume and your skills, you can apply to this role. A good opportunity from Goldman Sachs. And this is the Goldman Sachs hiring for you. Next up, we have hiring from Cognizant. They are hiring through Unstop for data analyst role for Bangalore location. Yes. And the requirements are demonstrate strong proficiency in Python for data analysis, including data manipulation, statistical exploration, and integration with visualization and reporting tools. You need to have skills in Python, data analysis, and Tableau because it is data analyst role, and instead of Power BI, they are asking for Tableau. Most of the candidates, maybe they have done certifications in data analysis, and most of them have done certifications in Tableau also. So if you know Tableau, there are high chances of getting shortlisted for this role. It is a good opportunity as well. Apply to this opportunity, and it is for Bangalore location, and it is from Cognizant. We can see, and there is also no batch criteria for this also. So every batch try to apply. Previous batches candidates also try to apply for this role. Okay, next up we have hiring from Oracle. Let's see. Here we have written everything in detail so that you won't get confused, and you can see what are the job requirements in the website. Let me check. Click for apply now. Yes, this is Oracle hiring for you, and they are hiring for support engineer one, and it is also for Bangalore location, and freshers and experienced up to 2+ years. We can see the key responsibilities here. If it matches your resume, you can apply with a good ATS friendly resume. That's how you'll get shortlisted. Okay. Yeah, these are the 5 hiring updates for today. Apply soon before they get disappeared. I'll share all of the links in the description. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and please subscribe to the WhatsApp channel. Thank you all.